नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है टेक्निकल इंक्लाइंस प्लस पर। मैं विकास यादव आपको बताना चाहता हूं बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स के क्वेश्चंस। जी हाँ, ये अच्छी मात्रा में आते हैं, तो चलिए देखते हैं। एक बार पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ देयर, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 बैग ऑफ सीमेंट इज़। ऑप्शंस हैं ए बी सी डी। तो ऑप्शन ए 0.021 क्यूबिक मीटर, ऑप्शन सी 0.0347 क्यूबिक मीटर, ऑप्शन बी 0.0434 क्यूबिक मीटर, ऑप्शन डी 0.0609 क्यूबिक मीटर। तो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द आंसर 0.0347 क्यूबिक मीटर। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हियर, कॉमनली यूज लाइम इन वाइट वॉशिंग इज़। तो कॉमनली यूज़ हम लोग जो वाइट वॉशिंग के काम पे करते हैं लाइम का, वो आप ऑप्शंस देखिए एक बार, ए बी सी डी। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए इज हेयर क्विक लाइम, बी लाइम, सी फैट लाइम, डी ओके, तो सी इज द फैट लाइम। थर्ड क्वेश्चन सी, ली-Chatelier's method can be used to determine, option C, soundness of the cement. Then fourth question is the standard consistency of test done in a।
इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर डी करेक्ट है। यहाँ पर रहेगा बिकाट एपरेटस जो।
See, fifth question is here, 28 comparative strength of the cement is tested on 70.7 mm size cubic of mortar having cement to sand proportion is। options are here। then option B is answer 1:3 ratio। okay, so let's see sixth question, Portland cement of 43 grade 28 days means compressive strength should be। options are here, you can see, and the answer is A 43 megapascal। okay, let's see seventh question, aft of consistency cement namely tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium aluminase ferrite, the first one to set and harden is C3A। option A is here, and rest of the options A B C D you can check it there। so let's continue with eighth question, the compound first to settle in the cement is। options are here, you can check it out, and the answer is tricalcium aluminate। then see ninth question, which of the following Bohr compound of the cement liberate the maximum heat of hydration। options are here, option A B C D, and the answer is A C3S। let's see 10th question, the amount of water used in performing the cement test of cement assuming P standard consistency of the cement। options are A B C D, and the answer is D 0.85। let's see 11th question, gypsum used in the cement manufacturing act as a retard। जी हाँ, रिटार्डर का काम करता है जिप्सम, आप जानते रहिएगा। तो ऑप्शंस आर देयर, आप एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए ऑप्शंस। एंड लेट्स सी 12th क्वेश्चन, which of the following cement is suitable for using the urgent repairs accessing massive concrete structures such as large dams। options are here, you can check it out, the answer is rapid hardening cement। let's see 13th question, the object of curing is not to reduce the strength of the concrete। option D is the answer, and the rest of the remaining options you can check it there। 14, the initial setting time of the ordinary Portland cement is। option B is the answer, 30 minutes। let's see 15th question, during the manufacturing of the Portland cement gypsum or the plaster of Paris is added to। option D
यहाँ पर जिप्सम को ऐड किया जाता है उसके सेटिंग टाइम को एडजस्ट करने के लिए। आंसर डी इज करेक्ट।
out। now 16th question, move on, which of the following is added for the quick setting cement। rest of the options are there, and the answer is aluminum sulfate, A B C D, you can check there। now move on the 17th question, which of the following type of lime is used for the plastering and the whitewashing। Option C quicklime, option B hydrocline, option C slicklime, option D fat lime. The answer is fat lime. Option D is the answer. 18th question. The density of the cement is taken as, options are here A, B, C, D, and the option B is the correct answer. 14, 40, and the 19th question. The high early strength rapid hardening cement is due to its, option D is the answer.
Higher content of tricalcium silicate. Answer D is correct.
Let's move on 20th question. The fineness of cement can be found out by the sieve and lashes using SI sieve number, option B 9, and rest of the options you can check there. 21 question.
As the cement sets and hardens, it generates heat. This is called as. अगर सीमेंट हार्डन होता है, सेट होता है, और तब क्या जनरेट करता है? हीट को जनरेट करते से बोलते हैं हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. आंसर ए इज करेक्ट.
122. Which of the following type of lime is used for underwater construction? Option D hydraulic lime, and rest of the answer you can check. 23. Move on. As a cheap alternative, fineness of the cement is tested by using
IS 90 micron sheet, where at least 90% by weight the cement particles should pass. Here answer B is correct. Okay.
24. To construct a massive dam, type of cement used. Option B low heat cement. Option A, B, C are there, and option B is correct. Move on. 25. 25. The most important constituent of the cement are C3S and C2S. Remaining options A, B, C, D, you can check it out there. 26. Weight of one bag of cement is, as you all know, 50 kg, not more than that. So option C is the correct answer, and rest of the options you can check there. Move on. 27. Finite test of the cement gives us estimate of, option C. The rate of hydration is the answer, option C. Now move on. 28 question. Dicalcium silicate, options are A, B, C, D, and the answer is generates less heat of hydration, option B is the answer. Move on. 29. The disease of dry root timber is caused by complete submergence on water, option B alternative wet and dry condition, option C lack of ventilation, option D none of these. So option C lack of ventilations. The age of tree can be understood by, option C is the answer, counting number of the rings. Options are there A, B, C, D, you can check there. Move on. 31. Which of the following is the hardest wood? So the answer is shisham, and rest of the answer you can check. Move on. 32. The woodwork should be measured nearest to, option is 0.002 meter, and the rest of the options you can read it out there. So thank you.